instead of having two cams on this engine, you have two push rods, which are here, mounted on here. So this is the rocker shaft, and these come up from the bottom of the engine, and basically this is what operates the valve. So this is the valve here, so obviously it's spring loaded, a bit like my hydrogen engine, but slightly different. So my hydrogen engine is DOHC, or double overhead cam, where this is just using a rocker, so this has no cam. So this is a pre-cam engine, but it's got rockers. So we've got to continue taking all these bits off, which we're using a 916 socket for. There we go, they come out and that's what they look like.